First, arrange all the components. Connect temperature sensor pin 2 to A1, pin 3 is grounded and 5 volt is given to pin 1. LED cathode grounded and anode is connected to a resistor. The other end of the resistor and one end of the speaker are connected to D13. First and fifth pin of LCD are grounded. Then connect 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th pins of LCD to D4, D5, D6 and D7 respectively. Connect LCD 4th and 6th pin to D2 and D3 respectively. Set the resistor value as 220 ohms. After uploading the code, run the circuit. If the temperature is within the limit, LED and speaker will be off. If it exceeds the given value, the LED and speaker will on. Also, a warning message will be displayed in LCD.